I have a great example of how you can save not hundreds, but even thousands on custom furnishings and home decor for your home using Design Broker. Here's my step-by-step process of what we went through to land this incredible custom fountain for one of my clients. She emails us a link of this fountain and says, I actually want the larger size, but it's not in my budget. So I found this smaller size. Can you give me a quote? So of course we're like, sure, but let me see the larger size as well. So we track down the larger sizes manufacturer and we go direct and we ask for a quote directly from the manufacturer on the larger one, and then we can quickly provide her a quote from Williams-Sonoma because it's more simple. And so when I email her back, I was like, listen, I don't have an account set up at this place. Give me a few extra days to set up an account. We get approved and we set up the account, and the rep is amazing. Not only does she send us a quote back, then she tells us how much we can customize this fountain. I share all this news with the member, and while the bigger one is a little bit more, but since I went direct, it was a lot less than what her and her husband were expecting. And so the idea that they could customize it and it wasn't as far as out of their budget as they thought, they got excited and took a few days to think about it. So the following week they emailed me back and they said, yes, I want to move forward with this quote. And so we went ahead and purchased the larger and more custom fountain on her behalf. And so this is just a great example. Not everyone works out like this because the shipping was even a little bit less than what we had thought, on how you can get even more than you think and have it more custom. Like, no one in LA is going to have this fountain that she has in her backyard, and I know everyone's going to be asking where she got it.